dearReality's plugins, it's never been easier to mix and monitor in Dolby's cutting-edge Atmos format. Spatialize your sound sources with dearVR Pro and easily listen to the multi-channel results with dearVR Monitor on headphones. Let's have a look at how to use the plugins in Logic to achieve an immersive 3D mix in Dolby Atmos. First, we need to update our project format to Dolby Atmos. In Logic 10.7, we can just click on Mix and Dolby Atmos and turn on the spatial audio. Logic automatically changes the surround format to 7.1.2 and the output of all audio channels to surround. It also loads the Dolby Atmos plugin on our master bus. Let's have a look. The Dolby Atmos Renderer plugin works in several different monitoring formats. Most of us haven't invested in an expensive surround speaker setup. This is where dearVR Monitor becomes extra useful. dearVR Monitor creates a perfect virtual mix room and lets you produce in any format, anytime, and anywhere. All you need is headphones. Now you can overcome the limitations of poor room acoustics and missing multi-channel speaker setups. We select 7.1.4 as the output format to see the full potential of dearVR Monitor, but each of these work. Let's load it into the master bus and set it up for 7.1.4. Hit play and listen to your mix in 7.1.4 in a reference-grade mix room. Use the head rotation knob to quickly look around in your mix. We'll come back to Monitor's additional features later. Meanwhile, let's continue with the renderer. The Dolby RMU supports up to 128 channels. Up to 10 can be used for a bed in 7.1.2 format. The remaining ones are used for audio objects. We start with the bed. dearVR Pro can be used to position sounds anywhere in the 7.1.2 sphere of the Dolby bed. Just load dearVR Pro on a track for perfect multi-channel positioning, paired with a high-quality immersive reverb simulation. Select 7.1.2 as your output format and move your source around. dearVR Pro is more than a panning tool. It also has an outstanding reverb and reflection section. Let's try the reverb on the vocals. For the vocals, we add some new audio objects. Right-click on the panning field and select the 3D object panner. You can now see the vocals as an audio object in the Dolby renderer. Next, we can use dearVR Pro on a reverb send to get an immersive spatial impression of our audio objects. We've already prepared a send track for this. Let's load dearVR Pro on the send track. Select your output format again, turn down the direct signal, and choose between a wide variety of different virtual acoustic spaces. Finally, we can use the acoustic scenes within dearVR Monitor to test how the mix translates to common listening environments. For example, let's listen to the mix in a cinema, or in a home theatre, or even in the car. Our spatial headphone compensation optimizes the plugin for your headphone model. dearReality's plugins enhance your mixing process in every step of Dolby Atmos productions. Experience a true perception of direction, distance, reflections, and reverb with dearVR Pro, and dive into multi-channel productions with your headphones and dearVR Monitor. Find out more today at dearreality.com.